A Igbo man who is juicy, glowy, moisturized, hydrated, and unbothered, divinely protected by my ancestors and doing what needs to be done. So I went to the Trafford Center. I was just so stimulated somehow. Is that the right word to use? I vlogged for YouTube, but I didn't record anything for TikTok and all of the things because I was just so busy walking around. I went into M&S, went into Zara. I must confess I was impressed with Zara, and I haven't been impressed with Zara in a while. Because normally when you go into Zara, it's either a hit or miss or you get what you want. Today was a hit. There's a particular bag I saw there that I wanted to buy. I wish they had it in leather. It was only £17, but I decided not to buy it because when I try to buy something in places like Zara, you have to make sure that you're going to be able to use whatever it is that you're buying. I would have just stayed at home because I went back home. I bought Lola's cupcakes and then I went to the flat and had it, and it was so hot. I would have just stayed and not leave the flat. Yeah, anyway, I'm just going to go into the city center. I love to walk, so that's what we're going to do. I came into the back streets here to talk quickly so I can hear myself. Did somebody Oh my god, they had a shit here. This is crazy. Oh my goodness. I am going to end this here. Thank you so much for watching. If you have watched up until here, let me know what you think in the comment section. Like and share. Make sure to follow me on all my social channels. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for joining the movement for visibility, truth and representation. Have a wonderful time. I will see you in the next one.